Hello everyone, welcome back to Awesome Crafter. Today we're going to be adding a bit of fun into Christmas and we're going to make a pom-pom wreath, but we're going to be using Brussels sprouts. So I've made myself some Brussels sprout pom-poms and I'm now going to turn these into a fun Christmas wreath that's a bit away from traditional Christmases but definitely going to add some fun. So I've already made a video on how to make them, which I will list below if you want to take a look. And the only difference that I've done with these is instead of having the string hanging up like that as if I was going to hang it on a tree, I've kept the string to the back of the pom-pom because I'm going to use that to attach my Pompom Brussels Sprouts onto my 12-inch wreath. This is the wreath that I'm using. It's a 12-inch wire wreath that I bought from Amazon. I like this one because it makes it look nice and full and it's big enough to get a good effect for your wreath. And yeah, I've tried these out several times and I find they work really well, so I'm sticking with these. So these are just 12-inch ones. So now I'm going to start to attach my Brussels sprout pom-poms onto it. So I'm going to lay it flat and then I'm going to take my Brussels sprout pom-poms and all I'm going to do is use the string that's at the back and I'm going to tie it around all 4 bars on my wreath like this. And at the back I'm just going to secure it in a knot like so, and then my little pom-pom Brussels sprout looks like that from the front. And now I'm going to tie them all the way round. I'm going to alternate between the light green ones and the dark green ones, and I will see you when I've done that. So I've now tied on all my Brussels sprouts onto my wreath and this is what it's looking like. I'm really happy with how it's turned out and all my little eyes are level and I've got my alternate colours. So now all I'm going to do, now I'm happy with the placement of it, is I'm going to trim off all the loose edges and then we're pretty much done. So let's get these trimmed off. I don't want to trim them off too short because obviously I don't want the backs to come undone because then obviously the pom-poms will come off. So I'm just going to leave a little bit of length on the wool just to make sure they stay tied. I'm just going to quickly tidy all that up and then we won't see the loose bits draping down. There we go, and there we have it. There is our Christmas Brussels sprout wreath. And I think that looks pretty good. And it's got to be a good talking point for people because it's not your usual traditional decoration, but it certainly adds a bit of fun. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up to help share it, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.